So now it's clear. This is only a sample one. Guys, we need to unbox this cartridge. So we need to put this one in the front part of this one in Amazon. It's black and white. We need to unbox this one. So this is it's free. This is okay. This is a news program. So we have a free plastic. So this one, this is black and color. This is the black one. This is a Canon black one, the PIXMA 545 black. So you can see PIXMA, and the PIXMA 546. This is color. So we need to put this one in my printer. Yeah, we need to put this one in my printer. So we need to open some first. So here, second, just open here. Oh, okay, open here. And look, this one here. This is the instruction. 1, 2, 3 instruction. So everything instruction is here. So it's empty. So this is the color one. Okay, empty the box. So we need to check the black one. So we need to open here. So it's the same all the instruction. The guide instruction is a black. Okay, then let's put this one to my small printer, the Canon one. Now let's open this printer. So as you can see. Okay, let's check. No, it's not open. Let's check the paper. So we need to put the paper first. Okay, this is a small printer. Yeah, like that. To fix. So this one, this is Canon. This is the brand Canon, and the model is TS3351. So this is Canon PIXMA. So yeah, this is the inside. Yeah, this is a small one. This is a small one like that. Like that. So we need to open it. Need to open this switch here, the power button. So it's open. You can see some lights. It's open. So we need to put the printing. So we need to put this one. This one will show you guys. Make it clear. Yeah, this one. So here. So here we need to open. So as you can see, there is a look. Here is a color, and here is black. So as you can see here, 1, 2, 3, yeah, black. And so let's see. I'll show you guys. So this one black. Okay, this is the black color. Move one. This black is here. So this can see this is inside. So I need to look at the inside one. Look, yes, you can see I need to move that one. So we need to move this camera. Yeah, like that. Move, yeah. As you can see the here. Slowly. Yeah, you can see we need to open. This is the black one. This is size 545. So it has the end size. This is fit in this Canon printer. So this one you need to pull it. Yeah. Fine cartridge. So we need to pull this one and let's insert. let's insert, because this is the old one, so I need to remove it. And remove the old one. So you can see the old one. So need to remove the old one. This is empty. It's empty already. There's no more. It's empty. So we need to take the black. Put the black one. Oh my god. Let's do it again. This we need to push the button. Is this the size? It's the same size, 545. Yeah, it's the same size. Fine. Yeah. Why is it too big? Okay. So here now is okay. The black. Yeah. But I will separate the empty one. So this is the color one. So we need to do it again. The color one. This is the small size, so it depends of the sizes. There's XL, X, but this one is nothing. It's only the smallest one. Remove this one, and here I struggle to. Yeah, you need to push it more. So let's check. The color is here, the black is here. So let's close. Okay. Okay, let's try to print. So I need to connect it to my phone. So here is my phone.
Now it's finished, so we need to close here the door. It's finished now, it's finished. Oh, no, sorry. We do need to close it. Sorry. So this one, so as you can see, always here is, yeah, always here. Everything is ready.
So now let's try to print. So I will print this kind of stuff. So first, I need to off the Wi-Fi here that I'm using. I need to connect the Wi-Fi from here. There's a Wi-Fi connection in the printer, so I need to press. I'm searching for the Wi-Fi for this one, IFS. Yeah, this series, yeah, IFS. So it's connecting now, the IFS. So it's connected. So we need to print this one. So all I want to do is this one, and this one, print. There's an option there, print here, print option, print. So let's see. Also, it's here, the Canon TS series. So it's showing the Canon there. So you need to, yeah, this one, the choices of print. So we need to print. So click print. Okay. Oh, so it's printing now. This kind of stuff. Yeah, it's printing now. But I'm not connected to the Wi-Fi. I'm connected to the Wi-Fi for the here, for the printer Wi-Fi. So it's printing this stuff. The something. So it's printing. It's too noisy, but it's okay. Okay, put some paper, and here, let's see the result. Waiting. We need to wait because it takes 1 minute to print. Need to wait. So this is PIXMA. So it's a small printer. It's not really big. It's a small one. So personal use in case of you need some emergency to print or something important documents to print. Yeah. So we are waiting for that. It's coming. I'll show you the result. Okay, it says here, guys. So it's here. Oh, now let's see the. So now it's here. This is only a sample one. Now it's a small one. As you can see, look. As you can see, it's nice. It's smooth. There's the black one, the color one. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It's really smooth. It's really smooth. So that's it. So if I need to close this printer, so I need to take this one, the paper. So I need to put in here. That one, and then I off this one, and then just press the power button like that. So now it's closed. Yeah, it's closed. It's closed. But it's totally closed. So that's it. It's really simple ones for personal use. Unless you can see here in the back. I'll show you the back. I'll remove first the sock in here. I'll show you the back. So this is the back side of the printer. As you can see, this is the back. This is the back side. This is not heavy. It's a really light printer. Yes, this is the back side of the printer. Yeah, it's a really simple printer. So that's it for now.